channel Bright Spark. Today I am going to show you how to send secret messages. I hope you guys will also like this video. Please share this video to your friends and family. To send the secret message, you need a lemon, a cotton bud, a knife, a dish and a piece of paper. First, you have to cut the lemon in half with a knife. Guys, be careful with the knife because it's very sharp. It will cut you. Please ask a adult to help you in this stage. Now you have to pour the lemon juice into the dish. Guys, now our secret ink is ready. Now let's write the secret message with a cotton bud. Guys, now our secret message is ready. Now let's look how to read this secret message. To read this secret message, you need some fire. Now you have to slightly heat the message paper. Our secret message is ready. Now we can read it. I wrote Bright Spark. I hope you guys also like this video. Please share this video to your friends and